This phone is dead. If I plug in the charger, as you can see, it won't show anything. If I press the power button, as you can see, it won't start. It doesn't show anything. So basically, it's dead. Let me show you now how to fix it. Let's go. By the way, this is the new Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, but you can do this on any phone, guys. Let's do it. So just plug in the charger. Even though you don't see anything on the screen, just plug in the charger and leave it like that for at least 30 minutes or 1 hour. It will be even better. See you in a little bit. After 30 minutes or 1 hour, just unplug the charger, and now you're gonna press and hold the power button and volume up at the same time until the phone turns on. Let's do it. Power button, volume up at the same time for at least 10 seconds. If your phone didn't turn on, now you're gonna press and hold the power button and volume down, okay? Instead of volume up, you're gonna press and hold the power button and volume down at the same time. Let's do it. As you can see, this phone starting up, so it means it was the right combination. Now let's assume your phone didn't come up. So what you're gonna try now, guys, you're gonna plug in the charger, and with the charger connected, now you're gonna do the whole process. So basically, you're gonna start pressing and holding the power button and volume up at the same time for at least 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, now you're gonna press and hold the power button, volume down at the same time for at least 10 seconds. I hope this video helped you out to fix your phone. So it happens when you don't use the original charger. Sometimes when you use the phone until the battery is completely drained, you're not supposed to do that. You are supposed to charge your phone battery at least when the battery has 20%, you know what I mean? So look out for that, guys. Let me know in the comment if you enjoyed this video. If this video helped you out, please let me know in the comment as well. And you already know, like and subscribe for more. Let's go.